This tutorial review will show you how to share WhatsApp status to Facebook story automatically. Let's add status on WhatsApp and the status will be automatically added to the Facebook story at the same time. So you don't need to add the story separately. All you have to need just connect your Facebook with WhatsApp. Then you can add a story to your Facebook story from WhatsApp. So open your WhatsApp and tap on settings. Tap on privacy. Select status. Tap on Facebook. Tap on get started. And before it, make sure to log into the account on Facebook and then tap on agree. Once the Facebook account added here, let's add a story. So the story has been added to my WhatsApp. Now I'm going to opening my Facebook, and here we can see the story has been added to my Facebook story. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.